Imagine a warm night and fireflies pulsing in the dark. Each one follows its own rhythm, each one alone. But watch what happens when they are close enough to sense each other. A firefly that fires just after its neighbor adjusts, slightly, slowly, pulling its rhythm toward the other. Over time, 2 fireflies begin to synchronize, then 4, then a cluster. Islands of coherence appear in the field. This is the Kuramoto model, a mathematical description of how independent oscillators, coupled weakly together, spontaneously lock into phase. No leader, no conductor, no central clock, only local influence passed from neighbor to neighbor. Watch the coupling strength increase. At first, chaos, every oscillator drifting alone. Then, at a critical threshold, the field begins to breathe as one. This transition, from disorder to synchrony, is one of the most beautiful phenomena in physics. It appears in fireflies and neurons, in cardiac cells and power grids, in the applause of a concert hall finding its rhythm. The mathematics does not care what is oscillating, only that things are close enough to listen to each other. And when they do, something new emerges, not from any single part, from all of them, together.
Thanks for watching. If this moved you or